Hi everyone. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Happy Mother's Day to Guapo Love.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom.
Happy Mother's Day to your mom.
Mhm.
Today is Sunday here. Wonderful day. So we're out here. We're building another fence for my vegetable garden. I need an expansion because I need to plant more crops. Say hi, Guaps.
Hi, Guaps. Hi, Guapo.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Guapa means pretty female. Guapo means handsome male.
Yeah, so we put
so
up
if
this.
she says to say hi, Guapo, I say hi, Guapo.
Thank you for my Guapo Love that helps me with everything, especially the garden. He also tilled the soil last time, so now we're doing a fence. We're living in a county.
Country. We live in the country.
So it's like a forest.
Look behind us.
It's like a forest area here. We have a cornfield or farmland behind our house. So we have so many deers in here and different kinds of wild animals. Even bear.
Bear?
Just kidding.
Oh,
No.
bear,
Actually our neighbor saw a bear one time here. And he took a picture and sent it to us. So that's why we're having fence on our garden, vegetable garden.
No fence is gonna stop any bears.
Yeah. Well, this is for the protection from deers and other animals. Yep. So hope everybody are enjoying the wonderful day and celebrating Mother's Day with their children, and Happy Mother's Day to Mama Mary. Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Mama Abeth. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I love you, and I miss you. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers, to Ate Annabelle, to Ate Clarice, to Iso, and everyone. Alright, say final words, Guaps.
Happy Mother's Day.
Alright.
Stay cool.
Yep, be like Mother Mary, the perpetual mother of Jesus Christ. Make Mama Mary as the good example and a role model. Alright, bye everybody. God bless. We're gonna finish our fence here. Peace to all of us. Bye. Why are you saying kauna?